Hey there, let's talk settling your IRS debt. This is probably my absolute favorite topic and my absolute favorite set of rules when it comes to dealing with the IRS. I love to settle the debt for less than what the taxpayer owes and stick it to the government. I know, shame on me. But one type of offer that is often underutilized and often unknown by taxpayers is an offer in compromise, doubt as to liability. This means that you really don't think you owe the debt. Maybe the IRS had applied some rules inconsistently. Maybe they have you confused with somebody else. Maybe they missed half of your information. Maybe you had an exam gone awry. There's a lot of different reasons. In fact, I had a foreign income earned exclusion for a taxpayer, and he got hit. He had a 3-year audit and he lost and ended up with $150,000 worth of tax liability because of this exclusion that was disallowed. And it was disallowed because of the way the return was prepared. Now, I will say that the taxpayer did use a professional, well, what appeared to be a professional. It was one of those box stores. It wasn't somebody that was actually trained specifically for this complicated set of rules. A foreign earned income exclusion is quite complicated. It's actually really fascinating if you take the time to watch it. But that being said, I took the time to read the rules of the tax form. Now, that may seem really silly, but that's how I won this case, by throwing the rules back at the IRS. And when I was working with the offer settlement officer and he made a comment, he said, well, now you know that this preparer didn't read the rules. And I was like, since when did that mean the rules didn't have to be followed? If you know the taxpayer didn't read them or the professional that prepared the return didn't read them, that means the rules don't exist, they don't matter? I don't think so. Needless to say, we won on that. So if you have true doubt about what the IRS says you owe, maybe the offer and compromise, doubt as to liability, maybe that's a resource for you. Take care. Bye for now.